Title: The Eye Image with the MaKoHu Technique, the appearance of paint enclosed in a cube. Dear viewers, in this video, I would like to share with you the process of applying the MaKoHu technique through an eye-generated image. In the first part of the video, you can see the original eye-generated image, which deals with the theme of paint enclosed in a cube. This is the basis through which the artistic process begins. In the continuation of the video, you can gain an insight into how I apply the MaKoHu technique by composing the paint on the gel plate. I will show you step by step how the paint is formed in a cylinder, and with a simple application of color and the play of shades to finally create an image depicting pain and confinement. The topic of cubed pain carries deep emotions, and I want to convey this with the video. With the help of the MaKoHu technique, the painting acquires such depths and shades that the feeling of pain and confinement becomes almost palpable. I hope that this video will inspire you to discover the possibilities of the MaKoHu technique and to express your own emotions in artistic creations. Thanks for taking me on this special journey, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to share your own experiences and creations with me. Thank you for watching the video, and I wish everyone a pleasant viewing and inspiring moments in the world of MaKoHu technology. Best regards, Tiber MaKoHu.
Przyjedzie Jasio, witaj się. Witaj się. Przyjechał Jasio, czapkę zdjął.